Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a all matte eyeshadow look for Thanksgiving or any other fall occasion you have coming up. So if you want to see how I got this full face, then keep on watching. Alright, so I'm just going to start off with some foundation. Today I'm using the foundation stick from Color Revolution, and I'm just putting that all over my face like this, and then I'm going to take a beauty blender and blend it out. Alright, now I'm going to take the Catrice concealer and just highlight my under eyes and put some on my eyelid just so we can prime our lids. And now I'm just taking a beauty blender and I'm going to bounce that in. Now I'm going to set the face using the Too Faced loose powder and just pressing that in with a beauty blender under my eyes. Now using a fluffy brush, I'm just going to take excess loose powder and kind of fluff it over the middle of my face because that is where I tend to get a little oily. Now I'm going to take the Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula and contour my face. Now taking a peachy blush from Cargo, I'm just going to add some color back to my cheeks. Now taking some Fenty highlighter in the color Fire Crystal, I'm just going to highlight the normal parts of my face, including my cheekbones and my temples, and down my nose. Now I'm going to set my face using the Milani Make It Last. Now I'm just taking the Anastasia Dip Brow in the color Medium Brown, and I'm just filling in my brows, trying to make them look very feathery and precise. Now I'm just taking some clear brow gel and setting my eyebrows. Alright, for eyes today, I'm going to use the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, and I'm doing an all matte look today. So I'm taking a brush that is pretty dense, and I'm going to dip in to this dark chocolate brown shade and just pack that right on my lid. I'm also going to mix it with a slightly lighter brown shade on the inner portion. Now I'm taking a very light brown color and just trying to blend everything out into the crease. Now I'm taking a matte red shade and just pushing that into the outer portion of the crease. Now using a clean blending brush, I'm just going to dust away the edges and really blend it out. Now I'm just taking a brown eye pencil and smudging that into the waterline. And I'm just going to smudge it a little bit underneath the waterline too. Now taking a smaller blending brush and a lighter brown shade, I'm just going to smoke out the lower lash line. Now taking some black liquid liner, I'm just going to do a basic black wing. Alright, and this eye is complete. Now I'm going to do the other eye off camera and add some mascara, and I'll be right back. Alright, both eyes are complete. It's looking really good. So just to finish off, we have to add a lip. So I'm taking the Fenty Rose Gold Gloss Bomb and just applying that to my lips. I wanted to do something glossy because our eyes are so matte. Alright, to finish off, I'm just going to set the face. And this look is complete. I really love doing an all matte look on the eyes. I think it's very different and it's very easy, so definitely try it out for Thanksgiving or any other fall occasions you have coming up. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube, check out my Instagram @SophiaDoingMakeup, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye guys.